Okay, so that's a quick bird's eye view of the console, both on the front and the rear panel here. Before we get into the details, let's get a moment to get your mixer updated with the latest firmware. If your SQ has been sitting, in the dealer for months on end, you'll need to get it kind of up to speed. Let's see how. Let's go to the Allen Heath website, and underneath the product page, you'll find a section called software. Now I'm using an SQ-7, so I'll scroll down until I find the firmware for the SQ-7, and I'll download that. That will be in a zip file, so we'll go ahead and unzip that, and you'll find that that will bring up a folder. Now you want to open up that folder and drag over the .bin file and drag that over to your USB stick. I then now have that USB stick here on the front panel, and we'll go underneath Utility, and USB utility, and across to firmware update. And all you need to do is hit the update button. In this case, we have the same firmware that's on here that's already in the unit. But let me press this, and you'll see a warning here. We'll say yes, and that will start erasing and then replacing that with that new firmware.